In this episode, we take a short ride from Benson, Arizona down to Tombstone. Okay, here we go. Jeez. Take 85. We're leaving San Pedro RV motorhome community and heading towards Tombstone, where we're going to check out the gunfights and see how many cowboys die today more than once. Down the road we go. Oh, everybody's in a really good mood this morning. As we leave San Pedro Mobile Home Park, we take a ride on Arizona 80 and head to Tombstone. Tombstone's only about 25 or 30 miles from here. It's a nice leisurely drive through the desert and a couple of small towns. So enjoy the ride as down the road we go to Tombstone. Okay, we're getting ready to come in Tombstone. It was founded in 1879, the town that will not die. That's their slogan. Although it has tried to several times. There's a tram ride you can take, like a bus that goes. It's well worth taking. Man, they tell you all about the history. Where all the gunfights were, the bar brawls, the ladies, you name it. A registered National Historic Landmark. Alright, we're officially in Tombstone. So now what you gotta do is find a free place to park. Here's the downtown. Okay. Yeah. I was waiting. Ooh, it's crowded already. And for today's public safety message, watch out for the road apples as you walk through Tombstone. It shows you to start like around 11 or something.
If you go to the other side, you'd have a place to park.
Yeah, I'll take it. No, I can get in there.
Just park this window.
That's right. Okay, here we are in Tombstone. Been here before a couple times. We filmed a lot of it last year, but hopefully we filmed some different stuff today. But if you'd like to take a look at last year's video of Tombstone, just kind of look up here in the corner of the card I'll have for you. So here we go, let's get going. Okay, here's the main street. It's about 11 o'clock, I think, so they're getting time for the shows, so they're going to be out here. Come on in and watch the show. We got the Road Apple producers down the road here, getting ready to take people for rides. Say cheese.
Now this is the original Shirley bar with French diamond dust mirror bar back. Only bar in Tombstone that can claim she's an original bar in the original building in the original position. On the back of the bar is the original imperial cash register, and to the right over here is the dumbwaiter. That was used to hoist up cigars, cigarettes, whiskey, wine, beer, champagne, whatever the gentleman requested upstairs, because our ladies worked upstairs. Now we have 14 birdcage cribs upstairs. A crib is nothing more than a 4x8 cubicle, and that's what our gals had to work in. Come on in, folks, we got plenty of room. We gotta keep our doorway open. Thank you so much. 7 on each side of the building. So one of our ladies could be up here on the catwalk, catch the eye of a gentleman, take him right back up that narrow staircase, and entertain him for a mere $25. Now we were only open for about 8.5 years, but if you want to see how busy we were, feel free to lean over that case and check out those top 3 stairs. You'll see they're worn down to the thickness of a poker chip, right? That was the busiest staircase in town. Now there were 16 gunfights in this building. 7 of those were fatal. 26 people did lose their lives. And there's over 140 bullet holes throughout the building today. Now down here in the post of the bar, 45 caliber bullet hole. And there's still a slug in there today. Come on over here, I know you want to see it.
Okay, we've been to Tombstone and shopped till we dropped. Okay, did you enjoy Tombstone? Interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
But, you know, keep the town alive, they got to make money, so that's why they have all the tours and gunfights inside. It's pretty cool. Now we'll kind of head out of town. Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. If you're new to our channel or you just want to make sure you see all our videos, make sure you click the little subscribe button on our logo, and make sure also you ring the little bell, and that way YouTube will notify you whenever we put up a new video. So thanks for coming along for the ride as Down the Road We Go.